afraid I have loved you for 1,000 years. I'll love you for 1,000 more. All along I believed I would find you. Time has brought your heart to me. I have loved you for 1,000 years. Love you for 1,000 more.
Deep breath in, breathing in good energy, grounding energy, inhale. And deep breath out. Every day, really sharing positive, beautiful thoughts.
Hi, Vanessa. Give you, Jessica, this ring as a symbol of my love. I just placed it on your finger. I commit my full heart and soul to you. I promise to cherish and love you. I give you all that I am and accept all that you are.
I, Jessica,
I, Jessica,
give you, Vanessa,
give you, Vanessa, this ring as a symbol of my love. As I place it on your finger, I commit the whole of the heart of my soul.
I promise to cherish you.
I promise to cherish you for the rest of my days. I give you all that I am.
And accept all that you are.
Accept all that you are.
As you place it on her finger, you two have exchanged these beautiful symbols of your love that you wear proud. Calling in, dear God, universe, higher source, to bless this beautiful couple with so much joy, so much abundance and prosperity, and it's just so much unconditional love for one another. And we bless you. We bless you with all the good things moving forward to create this unity and life together. May your heart join as one and continue this beautiful path of unconditional pure love with one another. We bless you, we bless you, we bless you, Divine Father, Divine Mother, all of our angels and guides. May we be all here to just support you in your growth and expansion and elevation, and just pure, unconditional love. And so it is.